You still waiting on that alarm clock to wake you up. You're still depending on a sound to get you up and get you moving. You depend on it so much because you're too lazy to get up out of that bed and get on with your life. That alarm clock ain't got no business for you. You living your life like tomorrow is yours. You have allowed laziness to control you because you don't want to get yourself up. Enough. Hit the reset button and get to work. Rebuild your life. Your life is precious. Fight for it. Get out of the abyss of misery. Get some air in your lungs and start living again. Tell weakness to shut up. Tell excuses to be quiet. Pity won't save you. You looking for a way out? I'm telling you to find a way in. Stop looking for help all the time and help yourself. Find a way to win your life back. Don't you dare say you're done. You don't have permission to give up. I never said it was going to be easy. You're going to be judged. You're going to be put down. Not everybody's going to support you. Not everybody's going to believe in you. There are going to come times where you're going to be broken all to pieces. And you're going to feel like you cannot get it all together. You can't seem to bring your life back on track. But get that mess out of your ears and listen to the words that I'm saying. You can put your life back together again. You have the faith, you have the strength, you have the knowledge, you have the ability. Now go to work and do your business. No more of saying that you're not strong enough. No more of saying, I tried. Stop trying and start doing it. Your life has meaning. Your life has purpose. Your strength is within you. You were born with it. There's something internal inside of you that has more power than your flesh. Whatever circumstance that you are dealing with right now in your life, I am telling you right now, it is only going to last for a short time. Every day something is changing in somebody's life. Your life is changing. My life is changing. Your loved ones' lives are changing. Stop wasting time doing nothing with your life because you only got so much time, people. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, there's one thing that we cannot escape. The inevitable is coming for all of us. Death is something that we cannot escape. Life is no joke, ladies and gentlemen, but it is such an amazing gift. What we do with it depends on how we live it. Think about what you're doing with your life. I get it. People are hurting. People are miserable from time to time. People are angry from time to time. I understand it. You know why? Because you're a human being. And being human is hard. Being human is tough. But guess what? Nobody can do you better than you, ladies and gentlemen. Find a way to understand that your life does matter. And it is not over. You can put it back together again. With passion, with conviction, with purpose, with will. But if you're sitting around being miserable, looking for a pity party, looking for someone to save you, you're going to be in a world of hurt. Stop with that madness of being pity. The world is what it is. People do what they do. Not everyone is decent. Not everyone means you well. And the world don't stop because you having a bad day. You having a good day because you're still alive. That means it's a good day. Maybe it wasn't a great day, but it was a good day because you made it and you're still alive. Everybody's going to fall. Everybody's going to get knocked down. But you don't have to stay there, ladies and gentlemen. As I always say, get back up and keep pushing forward. Nobody's coming down there to get you. You got to get up. Stop looking for someone to pull you out of a situation that you did not have to be in. I'm looking for this person. I'm looking for that person to bail me out. No, bail yourself out. Figure it out. Don't look for everybody to save you and get you out of your mess. Get yourself out of your mess sometimes. Don't depend on others to make you happy. Don't depend on others to give you a better life than what you have today. You depending on other people instead of depending on you. Have some integrity about yourself. Stand on your morals and your principles. Stop selling yourself out. You don't have to start over. Start up today. Do something and do it today. How much time do you think you have left? Don't live your life as if you're going to go on forever. Don't live your life and assume that all you're good for is being miserable. Let me let you know right now, ladies and gentlemen, those that have had it easy don't know tough. Those that have had it easy do not understand the significance of toughness. Don't you dare look to them for strength. That's not how it works, ladies and gentlemen. Put it aside and do better with your life. Rebuild it. Let your actions speak louder than your excuses. Let your actions speak louder than your weakness. Let your actions flow through your veins. You reconstruct your life. But if you're not applying yourself to better yourself mentally, physically, or even spiritually, then you will remain broken. Enough with the weakness. You put more effort in excuses and weakness, but you refuse to find a way to be strong. If you're a man, you better be a better man. If you're a woman, you better be a better woman. We are fighting for our lives every single day, people. Don't kill your life, people. Sometimes when things get broken, it doesn't mean that they're broken forever. Find a way to stand and push through life and keep going forward. Be productive. Stay strong. Never quit. And from the bottom of my heart, ladies and gentlemen, conduct your business.